friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michaela. So today I have for you a what's in my YSL Kate handbag. A subscriber actually requested that I do this video and show what all I have in my bag and how much I like this bag. So you have seen this bag before in a previous video, but I got a lot of questions about it and I decided to do another video about it. So I'm gonna start off by saying that I absolutely adore this bag and the quality is absolutely impeccable and so luxe, such thick leather, and the chain is very sturdy and very expensive feeling, and I just absolutely love it and I rave about it all the time. So here's what's in my bag. As you can see, there's not a ton in there. I could probably fit 3 times what I currently have in here. So what I have in here is my wallet. I have my Dior lip glow. I have like a little travel size Advil. And I have my house key. And that was all that I had in there. Sometimes if I do have anything extra, it'll be like a lip liner and an eyeliner, but that's honestly about it. I don't carry a lot of things in my bag, and yeah, I have a ton of extra room left in here. I don't ever see myself selling this bag. I think that it's going to be a staple in my closet for years to come, and I think this is gonna be maybe a lifetime piece for me. I absolutely think it's worth the money. I know it's a little on the expensive side. So if you're in the market for a YSL bag or any designer bag, or if you're looking for your first designer bag, I highly recommend that this be the one because it's totally worth it. Thank you to the subscriber that left the question about this bag. I love talking about it. It's such a beautiful bag, and I hope that you were able to go out and pick it up. If there are any more questions about this bag, please leave them below in the comments section. I would love to answer them for you. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your handbag loving friends. Thank you so much for watching.